Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to see how to perform a blind SQL injection with damn vulnerable web application. First of all, I need to set up the security level to low. Then we go to SQL injection blind. I entered the user ID of a valid user here, and I grab the URL of the page. I'm going to save this part of the command I need in a text file. After doing that, we need the cookie session ID for this page, which is found here in the security session. I'm going to view cookies. Now scrolling down, you see content, and we need this part. So I'm going to save that too. Alright. At that point, we pretty much have all we need. Well, we're going to perform SQL injection, in this case, by using SQL map. It already found what kind of database it is, and it's MySQL. And we know for sure that's MySQL, so it already found an injectable parameter, but we might want to find more. We're going to skip here. Okay, keep in mind the video is shortened because the whole operation took a while. But SQL map retrieved the information schema of the database, so we can go to this directory to see what it looks like. So I'm gonna CD there. I forgot the slash before root. Stupid mistake. If we cat that file we saw in the other shell, you see the information schema and a bunch of related information that tells us more about the database. But that's not all we got from the command. So if we dig into the directories here and we go to dvwa, we find a file called users.csv.1. It's called that way because I had already created another file before called users.csv. I reviewed this video because I made some mistakes before, so that's all we needed. So usernames and passwords found in the database, and you see that we have the username, the password hash, and the cracked password in clear text. We need to know what's the name of the database, and we use this different command. We see we have several available database, but of course what we need is the first one, dvwa. So now we know the name of the database, and we can find all the tables contained in this database. You see that we have essentially two tables of course, we're interested in knowing more about users table. So now we can understand what columns are present with this command. We see that we have two. You see, we had two very interesting columns, user and password. So now we can try and dump them. You see that password hashes are being cracked. And it could actually find only one password, but we had all users and all passwords before, so that's no big deal. Anyway, that's how to perform a blind SQL injection attack. I hope that gives you a better overview of how that works. Anyway, stick around and keep following me. Bye bye.